All government schemes from 2014. Number 1. Dhan Yojana was launched in. Correct answer 2014. Number 2. Ujjwala Yojana provide. Correct answer LPG connection. Number 3. Ayushman Bharat is related to. Correct answer health insurance. Number 4. PM Kisan provides per year. Correct answer 6,000 rupees. Number 5. Swachh Bharat mission was launched in. Correct answer 2014. Number 6. Stand Up India is for. Correct answer SC, ST and women. Number 7. PM Awas Yojana is related to. Correct answer housing. Number 8. Digital India was launched in. Correct answer 2015. Number 9. PM Fasal Bima Yojana is for. Correct answer crop insurance. Number 10. Atal Pension Yojana provides. Correct answer pension. Number 11. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao was launched in. Correct answer 2015. Number 12. Mudra Yojana provide loans to. Correct answer small businesses. Number 13. PM Nidhi Yojana is for. Correct answer street vendors. Number 14. Mission Indradhanush is related to. Correct answer vaccination. Number 15. PM Gati Shakti Yojana is focuses on. Correct answer infrastructure. Number 16. Poshan Abhiyan is related to. Correct answer nutrition. Number 17. Skill India mission was launched in. Correct answer 2015. Number 18. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is for. Correct answer girls savings. Number 19. Bharat Net is related to. Correct answer internet connectivity. Number 20. PM Surya Ghar Yojana is related to. Correct answer solar energy. Number 21. PM Garib Kalyan Yojana provides. Correct answer free fruit grains. Number 22. Ujjwala scheme is related to. Correct answer LED bulbs. Number 23. PM Vishwakarma Yojana is for. Correct answer artisans. Number 24. E-NAM is related to. Correct answer agriculture market. Number 25. Amrut scheme focuses on. Correct answer urban development. Number 26. Smart Cities mission was launched in. Correct answer 2015. Number 27. PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana is related to. Correct answer skill development. Number 28. National Solar Mission is related to. Correct answer solar energy. Number 29. FAME India scheme promotes. Correct answer electric vehicles. Number 30. Uday scheme is related to. Correct answer power sector. Number 31. PM Suraksha Bima Yojana provides. Correct answer accident insurance. Number 32. PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana provides. Correct answer life insurance. Number 33. Soil health card scheme is related to. Correct answer soil quality. Number 34. PM Matsya Sampada Yojana is related to. Correct answer fisheries. Number 35. National Education Policy is related to. Correct answer education reform. Subscribe for more videos which is related to government exam.